secure and seamless login experience for your Miro team? Let's set up Single Sign-on (SSO) in just a few steps. Before diving into the SSO setup steps, make sure your domain is verified. Check out the link in the description for a step-by-step guide on how to do this. First, let's enable SSO in your Miro settings. For business plans, go to Company Settings, Security, Single Sign-on, and toggle on SSO SAML. On Enterprise plans, go to Settings to get to the Miro Admin Console, then click Security, Authentication, Single Sign-on, and toggle it on. Next, configure your identity provider, IDP. Add the required metadata, including the SAML Sign-in URL and public key times 0.509 certificate. Choose the verified domains where this SSO configuration will be applied. Before enabling SSO, ensure your setup is error-free by testing it. Click Test SSO Configuration to verify success or address any highlighted issues. Once your domains are verified, SSO is live. Users will log in securely via your identity provider, simplifying access across teams. Need advanced features? Enable just-in-time JIT provisioning to automatically add new users from your domain to your Miro team. No manual invites needed. And that's how you secure your Miro workspace with SSO. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more Miro tips.